Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to create a calculator with memory in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to create a calculator with memory that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division based on user input, a memory feature that allows you to store and recall numbers. Make sure you are showing all the steps and explain steps by steps in detail to a beginner in coding. Please show the complete code at the end. And here is what ChatGPT tell us. So step 1, setting up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it memorycalculator.java. Step 1, import required libraries. Import java.util, scanner. Step 2, create the main class. Public class memory calculator. Public static void main, string, args. Scanner equals new scanner, system.in, double memory equals 0, while, true. System.out.println, choose an operation, system.out.println, 1. Addition, system.out.println, 2. Subtraction. System.out.println, 3. Multiplication, system.out.println, 4. Division, system.out.println, 5. Recall memory, system.out.println, 6. Clear memory, system.out.println, 7. Quit, system.out.print, enter your choice, int choice equals scanner.nextInt. Switch, choice. Case 1. Memory equals perform operation, plus, memory, break, case 2. Memory equals perform operation, dash, memory, break, case 3. Memory equals perform operation, asterisk, memory, break, case 4. Memory equals perform operation, / memory, break, case 5. System.out.println, memory, plus memory, break, case 6. Memory equals 0, system.out.println, memory cleared, break, case 7. System.out.println, goodbye, return, default. System.out.println, invalid choice, break. Step 3, define the perform operation method. Private static double perform operation, string operator, double memory. Scanner equals new scanner, system.in, system.out.print, enter a number, double number 1 equals scanner.next double, system.out.print, enter another number. Double number 2 equals scanner.next double, double result equals 0, switch, operator. Case plus, colon. Result equals number 1 plus number 2, break, case dash, colon. Result equals number 1, number 2, break, case asterisk, colon. Result equals number 1 asterisk number 2, break, case / colon. Result equals number 1 / number 2, break. Memory equals result. System.out.println, result, plus result, return memory. Now we have the complete code for the program. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal / command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the code, javac memorycalculator.java. Run the program, Java Memory Calculator. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 1 for addition. Let's try 1 plus 1 to see if it equals 2. It does, great. Let's try enter 3 for multiplication, let's try enter 2 as the first number and 3 as the second number, it returns 6. Let's enter 5 to recall memory, it returns 6. Awesome. Let's enter 6 to clear memory. Let's enter 5 again to check if the clear memory function working. It returns 0. Perfect. Let's enter 7 to quit the program. This program demonstrates the basic concept of creating a calculator with memory in Java. You can build upon this foundation to add more features and improvements as needed. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.